Hello everyone, I'm Nimmy Melvin from Nimmy Set. Today I'm going to draw a birdhouse. So let's start. These are the materials I'm going to use for this project. Please check the description for the material list link and other details. So let's start sketching. First we have to draw a triangle shape. So just make a triangle, a big long triangle leaving a 3-finger space at the top. Very lightly. Then we have to draw a rectangle shape. Then another thin rectangle shape. Then we have to give a small rectangle, a long thin rectangle for this wooden pole. So these are the basic shapes we need. Now we're going to add a small circle here. And then we have to draw a bird here. So for the bird, I'm going to draw one oval and one circle. Make it bigger. And another thin oval like shape here for the tail. Okay, and beak can be a triangle, a small tiny triangle. So we're going to draw another bird inside this circle for the head. Okay, a triangle shape for the beak. So here I'm going to add two triangles, one big and one small for the beak. So here just add the eye. Just connect these two shapes. Don't forget to add the legs. So let's add some details here. I'm going to add some wavy lines. And one more line around this. One more circle around this. And some lines, straight lines. And for this bird, we can draw one curve for the neck, another curve here for the wings. So this line can extend outside and connect with this one with a triangle like shape. I'm going to make few changes here. So the beak will be actually here. And then we can add the background details. For that I'm going to add one cloud like tree branch. It's all part of a big tree, but we are not drawing the whole thing, just a small portion of that tree. Okay, and along this line we can add big long curve for the branch and some smaller branches. And some leaves here in the corner, some wavy lines for the leaves. Maybe we can add one flower. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie and darken the main lines, and then we will erase all the basic guidelines. Now erase all the guidelines so that we can paint it or color it with oil pastels. Now we can start coloring, and I'm going to tell you the colors before I start. First, I'm going to take orange and red color for the roof. Red and orange and pale brown and light brown. This is just brown color. Dark green and chrome yellow for the tree. Dark brown for this tree branch, and some pink color flowers, and deep green and some green gray for the this big leaves. So these are the colors I'm taking, and the birds can be any color. Maybe you can take cerulean blue, and maybe you can repeat some colors like orange or red. So these are the main colors. Okay. I have completed my coloring, and I'm going to take my colors again. If there is any big gap, I will fill it. And after that, take a pencil and then darken the line if you want the darker border. Now I'm going to spray this fixative on top of this oil pastel so it will protect the colors. I have completed my coloring. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.